So a really special something about the metal programme is the workshop space. It's really, really big. It has all the machines that you could possibly want to create your work. And you have the opportunity to have your own sketch space and your own workbench, so you can have all of your tools and your work there and create fantastic pieces of metal art. So the programme has 3 directions: wood-oriented furniture design, metal art, or textile body space. Although those directions are separate, you work very closely, obviously, in the group. It's a very small group. You have the same lectures together. The only difference is that obviously you would use the different workshops. It is in the middle of the woods, far enough away from the town so you don't get too distracted by city living, but close enough so that you can still go and experience that. After I've finished my studies, I have the opportunity to work for a blacksmith in Skåne, in the south of Sweden. So my plans for the future are staying in Sweden for now. I've kind of fallen in love with the place and I'd like to stay.